Hi, let's calculate some areas today. If you haven't seen the video where we go through the formulas, click on the little eye in the corner and it'll take you there. For today's video, you might want to pause at the start of each question and give it a go yourself. Or if you have the notes already printed, you can give it a go first and check to see if you have the same answers. Alright, let's get started. Example 1. Find the area of the following shape. This is a rectangle. So all we have to do is multiply the two values together. Or the area of a rectangle is length times width. 6.1 times 3.1. So we get 18.91 centimeters squared. Here we have a triangle. The area of a triangle is half height times base. So we have 5 times 7 divided by 2. Or you can plug in all the numbers like that, whichever way you find easiest. So the answer is 17.5 meters squared. Example 3. This is a parallelogram. I can never pronounce that word. Here we have 3 values, but we only really need 2. Which of these do we need? We have the height there, that is the side, and we have the base. The 2 values we need are perpendicular to each other, or in other words, that 8 and the 11. So the 10 there is just for perimeters, so don't use it for area. So the height, 8 times 11 as the B base, we have 88 meters squared. Example 4. This one's a bit tricky. It's just a parallelogram on the side. So if you look, you can see that 4 is the height and it's 90 degrees to this length here, which is the same as which one? It's the same as the 5.5. So that 5 there we can ignore. So we have A is equal to H times B, which means 5.5 times 4, and the answer is 22 meters squared. Example 5, a kite. Here we have A's and B's, so we have to multiply and divide by 2. Half A times B is the area of a kite. 5 times 10 divided by 2, or you can just do 5 times 5, which is 25 meters squared. Last example, we have a trapezium. The area of a trapezium is half height times A plus B. Now the height is 4, not 7. Remember, it has to be perpendicular. And A and B are 3 and 10. So let's plug that in and we get 26 meters squared. You might want to give this one a go or any of the other ones again. Double check your working out is the same. And I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.